What's up, Tech Heart? We're still rocking with Omarchy Linux, and I am just loving it. You may have seen my other Omarchy customization videos, and those were super fun to create. I am still rocking Omarchy about 7 months later. Just 4 days ago, Omarchy 3.4 was released, and it seems to be a good update. It has features, aesthetics, fixes, new keybinds, and we're going to dive in tonight. What better way than to do an upgrade on camera? We'll upgrade our Omarchy Linux installation right here on the Framework laptop, and we'll do it together. We'll see any issues, any hiccups, or will it be smooth sailing all the way? I don't know, but we're going to find out together. If you want to install Omarchy 3.4 on a new installation or on a computer that doesn't have Omarchy, you can find another video that I posted previously. If you're not subscribed to the Tech Heart channel, it really helps us, so give us a sub and a like. Why wouldn't you? Let's dive on in and get this Omarchy updated. Booyah! Okay, so we're on the Omarchy website, and up here we can see that Omarchy 3.4 has been released. Well, that's a good thing. Now, if you are going to install on a new laptop or a new computer, you could just download the ISO right here, and you could use something like Balena Etcher to burn that. But today, we're going to update our previous Omarchy. Let's go check out what Omarchy 3.4 offers. What's changed? Well, there's a lot more features added. Add single screenshot flow on print screen with editing option. Add tmux, that's nice. Tmux is like screen. It allows you to do more with your terminal and have different windows all on the screen at once. Adds an AI agent focused tmux layout. Adds Claude Code as a default install. That's nice. I've been using Claude Code lately, and that's a welcome change. Adds hibernation by default on new installs. Idle lock and notification silencing icons to Waybar. That might be nice. And a bunch of other stuff. NVIDIA GeForce Now installer. Okay. SSH port forwarding. And a bunch other stuff. Emoji picker, auto pasting. This is cool. A lot of aesthetics changes, a visual background picker, theme synced keyboard backlighting for Asus ROG laptops, and on, and new keybinds. This could be nice. Also, there's other fixes listed down here for a myriad, that's a good word, myriad, of other things. I like all of this, and I think Omarchy 3.4 is a welcomed update. So, should we dive in? Let's check it out. Over here, we're on an Omarchy setup. I can open up a terminal. Normally, there should be a little icon up here for the update. But I know that we can just run. Let me make this a little bit bigger for everybody. I can just run Omarchy update. It'll create a system snapshot, and with a little bit of password, we can get to updating Omarchy Linux. Now, this is gonna be a big one. We've already got some broken stuff up here, but that should go away after the update. Let's give it a little time, baby. It's gonna go through and download a myriad of extra stuff. This is a big update. I think it's at around 3 gigabytes. It's really getting our ThinkPad fans spinning up. Lots of CPU, baby. On this particular Omarchy install, it was fairly old. I believe it was Omarchy 3, but your update might be smaller than this. How big was yours? Lay it out. Another 500 megabytes of all good stuff. Pipewire, Intel media driver, blues, libs. I don't know about those libs. Okay, so it says, do you want to replace existing keyring with one that's auto unlocked at login? Sure, why not? NeoVim configuration already exists at home.techheart.config nvim. This will create a backup and overwrite it. That's fine with me. Let's go! switch to the new hotkeys? Well, we're going to do that. Add super C/V for unified clipboard, super control V for clipboard manager. Move full screen from F11 to super F. I'm going to have to remember all these. Okay, F11, now it's super F. Keep terminal on super return. Move app keys from super letter to super shift letter. Toggling, tiling, floating to super T. Okay, super T for tiling, floating. Okay, we're going to switch to all the new hotkeys. The old ones will be at bindings.conf.back. Don't forget.
Go, 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 go.
Dog, this is a big update. Help me.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
Switch back to mainline Chromium now that it supports full live theming. I hate Chromium, however, for this video, I'm just gonna accept all the defaults. We're doing Omarchy 3.4. Yes.
Nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Linux kernel has been updated. Would you like to reboot? Well, I think we have to. Let's go! Boop. So will these errors go away? Only time will tell. Okay. Support Hyprland. It's maintained by volunteers and led by one person in their free time. So make sure you click that heart and support, baby. All the errors have went away and we are now on Omarchy 3.4. SuperShift browser still brings up the browser. And cool, we are on Omarchy 3.4. Nice. Is there anything that we can see? Ooh, we have tmux. Let's go over here and let's open up a tmux. Look at that, we're in. I use screen, which is like Control AD. Yeah, but that doesn't work for tmux. I don't know the tmux keybinds. However, it looks like the theming is right. Blue on purple on blue on purple, baby. Claude Code is now a default install. Let's check that out. I think if we do this, yeah, we go down here to install. Boop. AI. There you go. Boom. And now we can install Claude Code with one button press. That's really nice. I've been enjoying Claude Code and Claude.ai lately, so this one is fun for me. And just like that, Claude Code is installed. Can't beat the business, baby. Hibernation is now default. Let's check that out. System? I don't see a hibernate. That's a little bit sus. Idle lock and notification silencing icons are on Waybar. Well, where are they? I don't see them. Am I missing something? A NordVPN installer. Install services. And just like that, you can install NordVPN. Who uses NordVPN anyway? Not me.
When you want anything you need, your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low,
we'll give it a password and
still go. Even when you feel slow, you can...
We have to reboot? Jeez. The power of video editing. And just like that, we should have NordVPN, but I don't see it. Yeah. I thought I installed NordVPN. Let's see if it's installed. Oh, there we go, NordVPN login. So we're gonna say no here. We can open this, and we can do a NordVPN login. Boom! And just like that, you could log into your NordVPN. All right, guys, so that's Omarchy 3.4. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you updating? Did you update? Were there issues? Let me know all about it. Till next time, Tech Heart Flout!
Still I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway.